what is the little plastic tube thing in the Fleshlight masturbator? So what is the weird plasticky thing? Let's take a look. If we unscrew our cap, we actually can't see anything. Why? Because the plastic tube thingy is on the inside. But you can't see anything just yet. But if you gently pop in, you will see and feel a plastic tube. Why is it there? A very good question. It's actually a drying stick which you use in the drying process. The material might stick together and this little plastic tube simply insert into the vagina hole just there, and it prevents the material from sticking together. Really quick, simple to pop in, and it prevents the material from sticking together. But of course, always make sure to remove this drying stick before use, otherwise you might come in contact with something a little bit uncomfortable, and nobody wants that. You can even use the drying stick as well when you're not using as well. You ready? Put the cap back on. It's ready to go till next time, and that's what the plastic thing is in the Fleshlight masturbator.